Imagine turning a few dollars into a portfolio of investments, all from your phone. But with so many apps out there, which one is the best for you? In this video, we're breaking down the top investment apps for beginners in 2024, apps that can make investing easier, even if you're just starting out. First, let's talk about why investment apps are worth your time. For beginners, these apps are designed to make investing accessible, intuitive, and, let's be honest, a little exciting. With everything at your fingertips, investing no longer feels intimidating, it feels empowering. Gone are the days of needing a financial advisor in a fancy suit. Now your advisor? It's literally in your pocket. Alright, let's dive into the first app you should know about. Starting small can make a big difference, and that's exactly what Acorns is all about. Acorns is a roundup app that invests your spare change. Say you buy a coffee for $3.75. Acorns rounds it up to $4 and invests that 25 cents for you. It's painless and builds up over time. With its automated, set it and forget it style, Acorns is ideal for beginners who want to dip their toes into investing without feeling the impact on their daily budget. Plus, they offer portfolios based on your financial goals, making it a tailored experience. But if you want more control over your choices, the next app might be perfect for you. Next up is Robinhood. Robinhood revolutionized the game by offering commission-free trades, and for many beginners, this app is an easy entry into buying individual stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies. Robinhood is known for its straightforward interface and access to financial markets that was once exclusive to Wall Street insiders. But fair warning, it's a little too easy to invest. Let's just say it's tempting to make some risky moves late at night. Robinhood is ideal if you want to experiment and learn by actively trading, but remember, with great power comes great responsibility. If you prefer a more guided, hands-off approach, the next app may be a better fit. If you're looking for a hands-off approach, Betterman might be just what you need. Betterman is a robo-advisor, which means it builds a diversified portfolio for you based on your goals and risk tolerance. It automatically adjusts your investments to keep you on track. Betterman is like having your own financial advisor, but it's affordable, beginner-friendly, and works quietly in the background. This is ideal for anyone who wants their money to work for them without constant monitoring. And here's the best part, Betterman includes a feature that might surprise you. Stash combines investing with education, making it perfect for beginners who want to learn as they go. Stash allows you to invest in fractional shares, meaning you can buy a portion of a share instead of needing hundreds of dollars to buy a full share. Imagine owning a slice of Amazon without needing Jeff Bezos' bank account. Stash makes it possible. Beyond just investing, Stash also offers budgeting tools and educational content to help you learn about the market. So, you're not just investing money, you're investing in your financial knowledge. Finally, let's explore an app that bridges banking and investing in a unique way. Last on the list is Sofi Invest. Sofi offers everything from stock and ETF trading to fractional shares, crypto, and even personal finance management, all in one app. It's essentially a one-stop shop for anyone looking to manage their financial life in a single app. What sets Sofi apart is its range of options, like loans and personal finance tools, in addition to investing. This makes it ideal for beginners who want a complete financial toolkit. But there's one more feature on Sofi that could make it the only app you'll ever need. So, which app is best for you? It depends on how hands-on you want to be in your financial goals. Acorns is fantastic for automating spare change, Robinhood offers direct control, Betterment gives you a guided experience, Stash combines education with fractional investing, and Sofi wraps it all into one. No matter which app you choose, remember, getting started is the most important step. Building wealth isn't about luck, it's about consistent, smart moves over time. If you're ready to take charge of your finances, hit that subscribe button and join our journey to financial freedom. Which app are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments.